Okay, hello everyone. Welcome to Everest Online Academy. As a हामी 2079 कर्णाली प्रदेशमा सोधिएको यो टाइप 2 ग्रामर सल्भ गर्दै छौं है। सो यो टाइप 2 ग्रामरमा टोटल 10 वटा क्वेशन हुन्छ। एउटाको 0.5 मार्क्स हुन्छ है। सो हामीले सबै मिलाउन सक्छौं। सेम हामीले पहिला पढेकै ग्रामरको कन्सेप्टबाट हो है त। ओके, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। So it's like पढ्ने बुझ्ने है। The food we eat is greatest supply of energy भनेर भनेको छ। अब यो क्वेशन कहाँबाट हो? आर्टिकलबाट हो। That's why यहाँ greatest भनेर छ। सुपरलेटिभ छ। सुपरलेटिभ एडजेक्टिभको अगाडि के छ लाग्छ? द लाग्छ। That's why the food we eat is the greatest supply of energy. We also get energy from other sources. Question tag छ। So positive statement छ, negative tag हुने भयो। We also get energy from other sources, don't we? So यो present tense मा छ। That's why don't we? The food we eat, the fuel for the body. So हामीले खाएको खानाले चाहिँ फ्यूल सप्लाई गर्छ हाम्रो बडीलाई भनेर भनेको छ। यहाँ सब्जेक्ट कुन हो? द फूड हो। द फूड भनेको चाहिँ सिंगुलर हुन्छ। That's why the food we eat supplies the fuel for the body. Everything we eat not help us to supply nutrients in the same way. Everything we eat हामीले खाएको कुरा everything भयो। So everything सँग हाम्रो कुन चाहिँ verb लाग्छ त? Singular verb लाग्छ। Everything we eat does not help us to supply nutrients in the same way. They do not leave us hungry. So दुईटा opposite छ। That's why however they don't leave us hungry. Experts say food affects our performance. Affects our performance. It means our bodily strength depends on your preposition depends on food we consume. It is said as a fact that food has direct connection to our mental health as well. So it is said कुनको भयो त यो passive voice को question है। If we eat healthy food, अब conditional sentence, first conditional sentence यहाँ present छ। If we eat healthy food, we can remain healthy. भनेर भयो। Such claims make us, causative verb, make us to think twice before we eat anything भनेर छ। अब तपाईहरुले एक्जाममा यो सबै कुरा रिराइट गर्नु परेन। 1 2 3 लेख्ने, जस्ट आन्सर मात्र लेखि पुग्यो है त। सो यसमा चाहिँ this is based on the topics we have studied in our grammar section. हाम्रो grammar section मा पढेकै टपिकबाट आउँछ है त। ओके, सो केही नबुझ्नु भएको छ अर केही छ भनेदेखि you can let us know, or अरु कुनै भिडियो हजुरहरुलाई चाहिन्छ, कुनै टपिकमा प्रब्लम छ भने please let us know है त। Okay guys, thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.